Hello friends, welcome back. Now in this lecture, we'll be learning how we can apply the tax on the basis of item rate. Till now, we had learned how to impose tax on the total invoice value based on the invoice value, total cost, total price of the invoice, like this, cost of the invoice. So in this lecture, we'll be learning how to impose tax on item rate individually. So for that, first of all, we'll create a ledger. We'll create some of the stock items under inventory masters. We'll start with our stock item, and I'm creating here a stock item with brush number 1. Let's say my first stock item is brush number 1. I'm taking under primary and it will be calculated in numbers. GST is applicable. Set or alter GST, press yes over here. And as you press over here, now carefully look at the option that tax details shows you a calculation type option. In this, mark that you have two options, on item rate or on value. So now here, this is the main crux of this lecture, that you have to select on item rate over here. So this, after selecting this will show you a pop-up screen where stock item brush number 1 is given, details are given, where it is shown consider additional expenses or income for slab rate calculation. No, for now it's no. Now you can give the rate that if the rate is up to rupees 1000, then it is what? Taxable at the rate of 5%. Let's suppose. Okay? Are you clear? Now the next, if the rate is between is greater than 1000 and less than 5000, then it is taxable at the rate 10%. Now the next you have is, if it is more than 5000 and up to infinite values, then it is taxable at 24%. So I am clicking here and selecting as goods, press enter and accept the screen. Is this clear? Is this clear to you? So now let's see the effect on voucher entries. When I go to vouchers and here I'm posting the voucher entry, first of all, give here your supplier invoice number, give here your party, now purchase account. Now I'm selecting here brush number 1. So tracking number is this. I am showing here 5 numbers with rate of let's suppose 58. All right, so your invoice value comes to 290. That is, it is below 1000. So let's see what will be the tax analysis shows us. Press Ctrl I, select Drishti Enterprises here, go to GST tax analysis, press Alt F1 and you can see it's 5% as we had defined in the tabular bar. It's given us 2.5% as CGST and 2.55% as SGST. So I am clicking here CGST and SGST. Is this clear to you? Is this clear? Easy? Now the next I am creating one more purchase entry, one more purchase voucher with the same item, that is brush number 1, but here I am purchasing 36 brushes and that will cost me around 790 per brush. Now it's higher. We can take 200 per brush. It's also higher, 110. Yeah, 110 rupees per number. So for this, let's see what will be the tax analysis will shows us. Press Ctrl I, take your brush number 1, go to GST tax details, press Alt F1, and now you can see brush number 1 GST item value and all the things are displayed in front of you. So now I'm giving here one more purchase entry. I'm giving the supplier invoice number, date. Now Drishti Enterprises purchase account. I'm taking here brush number 1. Now your tracking number, I'm giving here 100 quantity and rate Now in the last entry, I had posted below 1000, but now I am posting here the brush at the rate of 2300 per brush. Let's say it's 2,30,000. So now let's see about the analysis. Go to analysis, GST tax analysis, and here press Alt F1. You can see the rate is changed to 10% from 5%. Is this clear to you? This is how it gets changed, and it benefits when we select the entries and the taxation rates under the tabular form on item rate. These are affecting from item rate. These are not affecting from the amount. Actually, these are affected from the rate per item. All right. Now accept the screen and you are done. Now one more invoice I am posting that would be above 5,000 rupees. So here the same entry, same type of entry I am doing and taking here, but now the rate per unit I'm giving is 5,600. Let's see what will it affect to our tax analysis. Click Control I, select here your tax analysis, and under tax analysis, press Alt F1 and you can see 24% rate of tax is applicable now. Yeah, actually it's too higher. So select here your CGST, SGST, and it's done. So this is how you can post different tax rate as per based on the item rate value as well. Now, I hope you are understood with all the different parts of basic GST transactions. Thank you.